Hi, today I want to share with you how I fixed my LENNOX furnace by replacing a broken gas valve. First thing, I detected that it was the gas valve that needed to be replaced. As you can see, the igniter glows properly and the system fails to provide gas coming to the burners. Normally when there's something wrong, the system lights flash in a certain way. In my case, the burners would try to ignite endlessly, but the red and the green lights on the dashboard flash fast simultaneously, which means the furnace operates properly. So here I'm removing the lower panel to test the electrical elements of the furnace. You have 120 volts coming to the transformer and 24 volts coming out of it. My meter is a little bit off, so I'm having different figures here, but 24 volts needs to come to the gas valve. So if in about 20 seconds after you start the furnace you see a number close to 24 volts, then electronic works properly. So I'm turning off the power switch and shutting off the gas supply that comes to the furnace, and using tongue and groove pliers and a pipe wrench I am disconnecting all the elements from the gas valve. When you're unthreading the pipe, you need to hold your right hand really tight so you do not break the curved pipe that is connected to the burners. Here I'm disconnecting the wires that attach to the old broken valve. And again, when you unthreading the broken gas valve, your right hand has to apply enough pressure so the curved pipe doesn't move. I purchased a brand new gas valve on eBay for about $56. It was including the shipping. Here I'm removing the protective plastic caps from the new valve and making sure that nothing sits inside. I'm also using a pipe thread sealant that I purchased for like $5 at Home Depot. I'm applying a good amount of this sealant to the thread of the curved pipe, making sure that nothing gets inside of the pipe. And again, using the pipe wrench, I am attaching the new gas valve to that curved pipe. Again, holding the pipe wrench tightly and applying enough pressure in the same direction so the curved pipe doesn't move. Then I am cleaning up the pipe that comes to the gas valve, vacuuming it so nothing gets into the new gas valve except for the gas, and then applying a good amount of the sealant on the thread, again making sure that nothing gets inside of the pipe, and again connecting it properly, making sure that the curved pipe is not affected by the motions that I do with my left hand. And then doing the same with the thread that connects the main gas supply to the pipe. And I'm using a mirror to make sure that the sealant applied to the thread equally all around. Then again, tightening up the nut. The instruction on the sealant says that the cure time may take up to 48 hours. Here I'm connecting back the wires to the gas valve, and I'm going to wait for 48 hours before I test it. Now, a good quality control cat is always a good addition to your working environment. After waiting for 48 hours, I'm turning on the gas supply and using a toothbrush and soapy water to perform the soap bubble test. So if you connected everything properly and your sealant was applied properly, then no bubble will form, which means you did a great job. Now I need to make sure that the new gas valve works and the burners start fine. And they do. The lights on the electric board show that everything works properly. No bubbles anywhere around. So I am assembling everything back, and I'm really happy with what I did here. When I called around for help, they were asking me for about $200 just to come in and see what was wrong with the furnace. So I decided I'll give it a try, order the part, and try to do it myself. In the worst case, I would lose $60, and maybe I would be able to return the part back if it was not for the broken gas valve. I tried to edit this video, make it as short as possible, increasing speed for some parts, but it may be confusing to some viewers, so feel free to ask me any questions in the comments area, and I'm going to keep a good description updated as much as possible, answering frequently asked questions. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you're interested, and good luck with your projects.